so cute. Little belly. Maybe you don't need any more Cheetos, huh? Do you want a treat? Oh, there's another one behind. Hi! Hi! You heard? Okay, time for you guys to get some Cheetos. Oh my goodness. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's a treat. Here, I'll put it right there, okay? You want to say hi? It's okay. What's up, guys, and welcome to Life with Rescues. Today is the episode that you've all been waiting for. I'm finally going to the shelter so that we can make some homeless dogs days once again. Now, if you haven't heard, we started our very own online store called fatpuppystore.com. We have an assortment of products from leashes, collars, bandanas, to even some Cheetos. Now, these are birthday cake and snickerdoodle flavor. These sold out on the very first day that we opened, so if you do see these, act fast. We have a new shipment on its way. But for now, let's make some homeless dogs days by giving them some gourmet treats and, well, making some homeless dogs days. What could get better than that? Hi, Harmony. Everyone, this is Harmony, and look at this. She was just brought in on Saturday. She is so extremely malnourished. She was brought in with these puppies. These are her puppies, and she was saved from Mexico. So let's give her a very warm welcome. Baby girls, let's show you some love. We got some Cheetos for you. Let's get started, okay? Well, it appears that Harmony doesn't want to leave her puppies. I tried to get her to try both treats, but she's just more intent on going inside. So we're gonna go back in her kennel and we're gonna see if she wants some of her treats in there. We need to fatten you up a bit, baby girls. You need a little bit more love. All right, Harmony, we're back home with your little pups. Hi. Oh my goodness, hi. They're so cute. They're so cute. Hi. Hi. You are so sweet. Hi. Oh, big stretch. There you go. There you go. Hi. Hi. You are so cute. Hi. You guys smell these Cheetos? I'm gonna have to ask for permission first, okay? I'm gonna have to ask for permission first, okay? Would you like another one, sweetie bear? Oh, you guys really want them. Look at those little tails. Oh my goodness. What a great surprise today. Hi. I'm so sorry you guys are stuck in here, but you're gonna find good homes very quickly. I just got the okay that you're all old enough to have your first Cheetos. Now hold on, hold on. This is gonna be a lot better than the bag. A lot better. Come here. Just a little nibble. No? Here, you want one? Just a little nibble. Here, just a little nibble. A little nibble. These are their first treats. They good? Oh my goodness, you're so cute. How is that? Here you go, Harmony. There you go. Here. You can't be left out. In case you want it for later, okay, little one? Oh, hi. Oh my goodness, you are so cute. Here you go. A little bite. Little nibbles. Little nibbles. Hold on, guys, hold on. Come here. There you go, Harmony. Let's get you some extra weight. Oh, yay, we got some of the other puppies coming around. Hi. Let's get you guys some Treatos, shall we? Oh my goodness. Try a little bite. Okay. Oh, you got your leash. Little bite. There you go. What are you guys doing? Here. There you go. There you go. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi. You want a little belly rub? These are so precious. Alright, Harmony, here's one last Treato before I go. Everyone, thanks so much for watching. This has been truly an amazing, amazing episode. I had no idea that we were going to be coming into this situation today. What a blessing this has been. These guys, I hope that they get adopted real soon. They are so adorable, just figuring out about life. I'm so happy that we rescued them and that they have a chance for a much, much better future. Please check out your local shelters. There are always puppies, always dogs to be adopted, always dogs that need love, and, well, a lot of love. Today I'm at Desert Tales here in Scottsdale, and if you guys are interested, you can check it out. I'll have a link in the top of this video's description. But for now, we're going to be saying pause out till next time. Thanks so much for letting me spend some time with you and your puppies. It's a lot of trust. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Thanks for hanging out. It was a blast. It was a blast.